So how are you this morning, my friend?
Oh, I'm calming down a little bit.
Seems like you've had a hectic morning.
Yes,
huh?
I woke up at 2 and 4 and 5, and that's about all the sleep I've had. I only had like 4 hours of sleep.
Uh-oh. You got a nice date for this evening?
No. Well, no, we might be going out. I'm not sure.
Yeah.
Me and my friend.
Uh-huh. That works.
My skin, I had acne so bad.
Oh.
All over my face, my chest, my back. And I went to so many different doctors.
Uh-huh.
And finally, guess what?
What was it?
Mary Kay did it.
Oh,
Did
good.
the trick.
That is absolutely right. You are a Mary Kay representative. So tell me a little bit about your business. How long have you been a representative?
Well, I started back when I was 23 years old.
Okay, a couple of years ago.
Yeah, a long time ago. But I won my car the first time I was in it.
You won the car from Mary
Yes,
Kay?
I did. I
All
won
right
it.
now. Gail is concerned about her thinning top, like a lot of us are when we're losing our hair. She wanted a hair unit that looked very natural, that blended in with her lifestyle and her personality. This custom topper is ideal for her because it's lightweight, it's easy to install. She can do it herself by simply inserting the clips under her hair very gently, and it will hold the unit on very secure.
Hear what I'm asking, mirror the passion. Let's keep it smooth. It's not a fad, we're breaking patterns. It's all the news.
I don't put any makeup on it yet. She's as cute as she can be.
Oh my God.
This little hair unit makes a difference.
Oh, it does. Hair makes a big
It
difference.
makes a difference. I'm one. I'm right here to be up front to say yes. It does.
In fashion, you got this static. Give it to the tension. You got my attention. It's just how we do. You in the pocket, there's nobody rocking the way that you do. No need to knock, you can come in and lock it. Let's get to the groove. And now we're feeling brand new. Keep it flowing like the ocean. Every emotion takes me high. You can taste the sky. You and me gon' fly.
Oh my God!
And
Yes.
if you wanted to do more, you can do the same thing with your neck.
Okay.
See, it'll take that
Yes.
just a little bit.
Yep.
Big difference.
Yes, it does.
Yes, it makes a big difference.
It does. Makes
Okay.
a really big difference.
I recall the past again tonight. It's in the front of my mind. As I fall apart, you begin to cry. The tears are making you blind. The future's far away, but I'll stay.
I didn't think she heard me. I said hello, and I had a friend, and she told me to come down there and help clean up the yard. I was doing something.
Come on, so I don't care.
Yeah. And then I got down the steps, and I was, look, here comes that pitchfork. I done.
I feel again. I feel again. Oh, now I feel again. We're bringing this back to life. I feel it again. I feel it again. I feel again. We're bringing this back to life. Help me find the right words to say to get us back on our way. Can we try to fight against the grain of
care of your line brushes as well?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Oh yeah, we sure do. We have men products too.
Oh.
Beard wash. Well, actually it's shaving cream, and shaving cream, and well, what do you call that? Aftershave, and cologne, and skincare. And a lot of women are coming back. We've heard them, saying, "Well, this stuff is really going away fast." My Mary Kate, she's talking about her cleanser and her moisturizer. Husband is using it. Yeah.
Cause what we got so intense.
Get one of those curling irons where you can, like the beach waves
Oh, okay.
that they have.
Yeah.
Which I think you can do it with a flat iron, but I can't use it. I'm left-handed. Even a curling iron, I can't. A curling brush I can use, but a curling iron I happen to flip it over the wrong side or something.
Wow. I always admire the left-handed people.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because you can do stuff, and I like the way you turn your paper around and write.
Now, I don't do that. I don't turn my paper around. I write like a right-handed person does.
Okay.
But I smear. It gets on my hand. If I'm writing a paper or something. I've gotten better since I'm an adult now. But
well, they say that left-handed people have got that extra smart sense.
And what they say.
President Obama was left-handed. Oprah's left-handed.
Yeah.
When I was younger, I used to keep a tab of all left-handed people. I was so intrigued. Yeah. Michael Landon was left-handed. I remember him from Bonanza.
Yeah.
A lot of people are left-handed. I just love the way y'all do things with your left hand.
Yeah.
And then some people are ambidextrous, but they can use both of them.
That's me. I use my right hand almost
so you
just
can
as much.
too.
I don't write very good with it, but I can write on a chalkboard with it.
You go, girl.
But I got that from my daddy.
Is your dad lefty?
He was ambidextrous.
Whoa.
Very much so.
Whoa, I think that's so cool. Excuse me. You were fantastic.
Oh, it looks great.
I'm going to put links in the description of this video in case you don't have a representative and you want to get some of those wonderful Mary Kay products. I'm going to give you a direct link on how to get in touch with her. Oh my goodness.
Thank you, Lola.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
You are very welcome, and thank you everyone for tuning in to Miss Lola's Hair and More. I will be back real soon with another transformation makeover. Take care, everybody. We'll say bye, Gale.
Bye.
Bye-bye, everybody.